How to answer this question. For this question type, you need to reply to the question in one or a few words. The audio recording will play automatically. You may also see an image. When the audio finishes, the microphone will open and the recording status box will show recording. Speak into the microphone immediately and answer the question with one or a few words. You should speak clearly. There is no need to rush. Finish speaking before the progress bar reaches the end. The word recording will change to completed. You are not able to replay the audio. You are only able to record your response once. Prompt length, 3 to 9 seconds. Skills assessed, listening and speaking. Time to answer, 10 seconds. Test tips. Do not pause for too long when you answer the question. If you wait for more than 3 seconds, the recording will stop and the item status will change to completed, which means that you have lost your chance to give your answer. When you have started talking, don't stop for more than a second or two until you have finished. If you stop for 3 seconds while speaking, the recording status will change to completed, even if you haven't finished, and you won't be able to continue answering. How this question is scored. Your response is judged on your ability to understand a question presented in a recording and provide a brief and accurate response. Your response is scored as either correct or incorrect, based on how appropriate the words you use are. Please note, no credit is given for no response or an incorrect response. This question type affects the scoring of the following: listening, speaking, and vocabulary. Your writing skills are not tested by this question type, and your reading skills are only used to read the instructions. How this question is scored. Your response is judged on your ability to understand a question presented in a recording and provide a brief and accurate response. Your response is scored as either correct or incorrect, based on how appropriate the words you use are.